Good morning everyone, I'm on a bus and I'm on my way to uni now. Tomorrow is my final presentation and I thought it could be interesting to show you what goes on before my final presentation. I am so hungry right now, so I thought I would just treat myself to cheese and tomato sandwich and a caramel frappuccino from Starbucks because I won't be able to concentrate without food. So this is kind of the layout I'm doing for presentation, and it's the same method I use when I'm doing my portfolio, which I explained in this video. I basically make boxes and just layouts of where I'm thinking I want everything to be, and this is two A0s underneath each other, so it's a huge poster, and I'm making the spacing between each section 2 cm and then 8 cm for the title. 2 cm will be enough to add some text in, and it's a size 18 pixels. I've now added all my renders, so what do you guys think? I still have a few things to add for the site analysis and construction. Next, went to my model to finish it. I started on it a few days before, so I'm just gonna insert a modeling montage now. Okay, I've added everything and I'm ready to print. So since this is a huge poster, I'm gonna have to print it in A3s because I'm not gonna pay for professional printing because it's way too expensive. So to print in A3s, I'm going to clear my previous guides and then go to View tab and then New Guide Layouts, and you have to click columns and rows, and I knew that 2 A0s would fit 16 A3s, which means I'm going to put 4 columns and 4 rows, which gives me 16 A3s, and make sure to clear all the margins to 0. From there you can crop the poster to the A3s and print straight away. Going now to the deck area to prepare my boards. I'm so nervous. Push, Rasha, push. I need to cut now all the white margins for my papers because of the printer, and the problem is if you do cut the pages, drawings won't be aligned anymore, which you'll see in my final presentations, but instructors don't really mind it because they know that it's not really your fault. You get situations like this where things are just not where they belong. Okay, almost done. Just masking taping everything and pinning up to the board. At this point, I'm losing my energy and focus, which you would expect if you have been sleeping at 4 AM every day for the past 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm just gonna go get some coffee and snacks before my presentation. I wanted to do something cognate, but the problem is every time I did something cognate, I couldn't justify it for a writer or for a retriever. So I went with some large windows and then minimal window. So then from here you can see that there's the library. So guys, I just finished my presentation. It went really well. I thought I'll tell you guys the feedback I got. So design wise, they had no feedback. They thought, and I quote, I cracked the design. The only thing they said that they wish that the plans were 1:50, same as the elevation and sections, but I just told them the truth that I wanted to, but it wouldn't fit, and if it were to fit, then I would lose all the context to my plan. They also really love the perspectives of the approach and the exterior renders because I used our real site images, and they also just mentioned some construction feedback, and that's it. So you can definitely guess what I'm going to do now. I'm gonna celebrate with some cake and then catch up on my sleep. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends, and also subscribe if this is your first time watching. I'm Rasha Shururo and I'll see you next time.